Hello everyone and welcome to Regional Spotlight. I'm Mitch Keegan. Joining me in the studio today I have members of the Mankato East and Mankato West VEX robotics teams. First I have Samuel Mansfield from Mankato East, and your partner here today is?
Tessa Machado.
And we also have Lucas Baston from Mankato West, and your partner is?
I'm Ryan Boondorf.
And they're all here to talk about an upcoming competition that's going to be held coming up on Saturday, November 14th, and it's going to be held at Mankato East. So first of all, we should kind of talk about what the VEX robotics competition is all about.
VEX robotics competition is about taking at the VEX level teenagers, VEX U is college students, and then it also goes down to VEX IQ with elementary students, and getting them into robotics, teaching them the engineering process, teaching them this is how you work together to solve a problem using robotics.
Okay. And this is a competition. It's called the Greater Mankato VEX competition, but it's actually going to bring in elementary, middle schooler, and high school students from kind of all across the state to participate. And the robots that you guys create actually do something unique. Lucas, tell us a bit about that.
Well, every year the competition will change. This year our competition is called Nothing But Net.
Okay.
And the way to score points in this competition is to pick up 4-inch foam balls and shoot them across the field into either a low net on the floor or a small triangle of the net up at the top.
Okay.
You get 1 point for each ball that goes into the low net and 5 points for each that goes into the high net. And at the end of the match, there is another way to earn points by lifting your teammate's robot up off the ground. And if you can get it up off the ground 4 inches, you get 25 points. And if you can get it up a foot, it's 50 points.
Okay. And this is all part of a competition to be able to go on to compete statewide, and then if you go on from there, you could even go into an international competition, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And this is kind of part of courses that you guys are taking in school, right?
It's more of an extracurricular.
Okay.
There is a PLTW, Project Lead the Way, does do several engineering courses, and I'm sure all of us have taken some of them. But VEX is a completely different program done by different people that our school also does because of our engineering program.
And do you what are some of the things that have to go into putting your robot together?
Well, at the beginning of the year, you're just given the competition and possibly some specific rules.
Okay.
One of the major rules is that you're only allowed to use VEX sanctioned materials or materials that VEX provides.
Okay.
So you take these materials that go together pretty easily because they have pre-drilled holes, and you assemble them into a working robot. Generally, this robot has to be within an 18-inch cube in order to qualify.
Okay. So kind of a different, unique competition. Again, that's coming up on Saturday, November 14th, and that's going to be happening at Mankato East High School. And the competition is from 8 until 5, and the public is actually welcome to kind of attend and kind of check out how these robots all work, because it's kind of a unique thing. And of course, with the young students putting those together, certainly be nice to see their work kind of come to completion. So be sure to check that out. Again, it's the Greater Mankato VEX Robotic Competition coming up at Mankato East High School, Saturday, November 14th. Thank you all for joining us here on Regional Spotlight, and you can get more information on our website at KEYC.com.